teacher friends and dear children. This video of Chief Minister Safe Saturday program. Your screen heartily welcomes you all. The topic of today's video is information about protection from lightning or thunder. Please stay tuned and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So let us know, what is lightning or thunder, and why and how does it happen? Some clouds get positively charged, while some get negatively charged. When clouds carrying both types of charges collide with each other in the sky, electricity of millions of volts is generated. Sometimes, the electricity generated in this way is so strong that it reaches the earth. This phenomenon is called lightning or thunder. So let's move ahead towards the main messages. Generally, during pre-monsoon and monsoon rains, lightning often flashes or thunders in the sky, and common people are affected by lightning or thunder. From the point of view of preventing loss of life and property due to lightning, it is necessary that we take some precautions to avoid lightning. Measures to protect against lightning. If you are in the open, take shelter in a concrete house as soon as possible. Remain in your vehicle during the journey. Stay away from windows, doors, verandas and roofs. Stay away from objects that are good conductors of electricity. Avoid contact with electrical equipment or wires, and remove electrical equipment from contact with electricity. Also maintain distance from ponds and reservoirs. Do not stand in a group, rather stand separately. If you are in the forest, take shelter of small and dense trees. Do not use objects made of metal when you are outside. Stay away from bikes, electricity or telephone poles, wire fences, machines at sea. Keep yourself away from agricultural equipment made of metal, sticks at sea. Keep getting information about the weather from local radio and other means of communication. If you are working in the fields and are unable to take shelter in a safe place, then stay where you are. If possible, keep dry things like wood, plastic, sack or dry leaves under your feet. Keep both feet close to each other, and keeping both hands on the knees, bend your head towards the ground as much as possible, and do not touch the head to the ground. Never lie down on the ground. If lightning suddenly strikes someone, what should be done for protection? Some activities for this are as follows. The immediate cause of death in case of lightning is heart attack. If necessary, start cardiopulmonary resuscitation (CPR) as cardiopulmonary resuscitation, life-saving first aid. Before giving cardiopulmonary resuscitation first aid, ensure that the body of the affected person is not affected by electricity. Make sure that the pulse and breathing of the victim are not going on, if CPR has to be given. If injured by lightning, arrangements should be made to immediately take the victim to the nearest first aid center. What not to do if lightning strikes or falls. Do not take shelter in areas with high buildings. Also, never take shelter under electricity and telephone poles, because tall trees, tall buildings and telephone or electricity poles attract lightning. If you are walking, do not use umbrellas with metal rods. If you are forced to stay in the open, choose low places. Do not gather many people together. The distance between two people should be at least 15 feet. If you are at home, do not touch the water tap, refrigerator, telephone at sea. Do not keep any electronic equipment, even mobile phones, in open mode. Friends, next we will see what a student of Balik Ashram Shala Barsur says. Friends, my name is Anil. Are you scared of lightning? Please don't be scared, just do what I do to stay safe. First, if you are outside, run quickly and take shelter. Second, if there is no place to take shelter, Bend down and keep both your legs together and cover your ears. Third, do not go near trees or water during a storm. Fourth, if you are inside the house, do not touch the light switch. Take help from elders to remove the plug of electrical appliances. Fifth, do not touch anything made of metal. Sixth, do not use the telephone or mobile. Seventh, after the lightning stops, wait at least half an hour. Eighth, try to remain calm. Do not panic. Alert others. A safe school starts with me. Remember to be careful. Lightning strikes cause more harm to those who are not prepared. Thank you for watching till end.